Hi, welcome to day 38. In yesterday's video, by mistakenly, I said that it's day 39, but yesterday's video was day 37 and today's video is day 38. Change of place again. I've not gone to a cafe. Today I was supposed to go to the gym, but apparently my gym is shut on Sundays. It's only open till like 6 in the morning to 1 in the afternoon. And me, like a fool, I dressed up for gym and I went somewhere around 5 o'clock, which is now, and the gym was closed. Anyways, so then I came over here for a walk because I was already ready for gym and it made no sense to go home. Today again I don't really have anything as such to speak about, but one thing that I did research about was how whenever you're trying to quit a particular habit during the day, which is like where I am at the moment, like day 30 to day 40, that is exactly where the urges come back very strong. And I do agree with that. Like emotionally I'm too withdrawn because there are so many things in my life that I used to do very often, periodically, which is like drinking, smoking, in order to just relieve, or like in order to just escape the feeling that I have. I have stopped doing that, and it's day 30. It's between day 30 and 40 at the moment, and yeah, the emotional withdrawal is something that was very tempting for me to actually get into stuff like that again. So anyone out there who is trying to quit something, day 30 to day 40 is where your urges will be tested the most, and that is exactly where you need to start taking up new things through which you get those endorphin release, or you get those dopamine release from. And I think the timing of me actually starting my gym is also very nice. Oh, good flowers. uh, I know I have just procrastinated like going to the gym for almost a month now, given that I started this like a month ago. But I'd say it's a good timing because I was any which ways withdrawing emotionally so much, and I had so many lower energies onto me at the moment. And doing gym and going to the gym is of course going to like just add up and help me to just go through and push through this. If we given our urges at this moment, uh, that is when you don't shift your timelines then. If you do defeat these urges at the moment, like during this day of 30, between 30 to 40, you shift timelines and you get into a new identity of yours, because then you're quite literally shedding your old habits, your old self, and you're going into a new version of yourself overall. So yeah, I think this was just like a small piece I wanted to talk about today. And I do feel guilty about not being able to productively work in the past few days because I was so emotionally withdrawn, and my brain was too foggy, and I was not able to work properly. The drive that I had in the initial days, the the drive took a steep downwards fall, and there was no fun in working. There was no, I'd say, dopamine release only in working. So I was not motivated at all to work, and I've not been motivated enough to work these past few days. I hope that going to the gym is going to help, and I've not worked. Like last Saturday also, yesterday I didn't really work. Today also I didn't really work. I've slept extremely badly. My sleep schedule is very bad. Uh, I think now that I've started going to the gym, I will see to it that I'm pairing it up with like fixing my sleep schedule as well, which is like me sleeping at 11 o'clock in the night, so that I'm able to wake up early and I'm able to go to the gym in the morning as well, and then continue my day. This will kind of give me a small window where I'm able to schedule my day as well, in regards with like what all stuff is needed to be done, in regards with my work, in regards with my YouTube channel as well, and in regards with any other things that I'm doing. Oh fuck. I need to catch up my breath. Okay. Anyways, I think yeah, that is it for today. I will I will be meeting a friend today. We'll be going to the beach. That is going to be good. I have another friend's birthday. I don't want to drink alcohol again. But let's see. I will try my best to actually not drink like one shot as well. They keep on doing that, saying that it's his birthday and you should just drink one shot. But I don't want to do that. Let's see. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video, and I really like this because there's such good lighting over here and I look really good. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.